Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're reviewing 5 useful kitchen appliances. Check the links in the description and let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Microwave. The BLACK+DECKER over-the-range microwave is more than just a regular microwave. It combines microwave cooking with air frying, convection, and baking, giving you multiple ways to prepare your favorite meals. You get a spacious 1.5 cubic foot interior, 900 watts of microwave power, 6 cooking modes, and sensor reheat for added convenience. The built-in 300 CFM vent also helps remove smoke and cooking odors. With its stainless steel design and multifunctional performance, it's a great option for saving both counter space and cooking time. Number 2. GE Microwave. The GE JVM 6175 SKSS is a 30-inch over-the-range microwave designed for convenient, everyday cooking. Its stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that works well with many kitchen styles. The over-the-range design is especially useful if you want to free up valuable countertop space. It's ideal for reheating leftovers, preparing quick meals, and handling everyday microwave cooking. If you're looking for a practical over-the-range microwave with a familiar and straightforward design, this GE model is worth considering. Number 3. Ninja Crispi. The Ninja Crispi Dual Zone is a unique countertop air fryer designed with glass cooking containers and versatile cooking functions. It offers 6 modes, including air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, max crisp, and recrisp. With 2 4-quart glass containers, you can prepare different foods while keeping your cooking organized. It reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and delivers up to 1,785 watts of power. Whether you're making crispy snacks, roasted foods, or reheating leftovers, the Ninja Crispi gives you plenty of cooking flexibility. Number 4. Chefman Air Fryer. The Chefman 12-quart air fryer oven is built for larger meals and family-size cooking. Its generous 12-quart capacity gives you plenty of room for preparing everything from crispy snacks to complete meals. The 5-in-1 design adds versatility, while the digital touchscreen and 12 presets make choosing the right cooking setting simple. You also get a digital timer for convenient cooking control. And when the meal is finished, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easier. It's a practical choice for anyone who wants more cooking options without using a traditional oven. Number 5. Chefman Microwave. The Chefman countertop microwave is a compact and convenient option for smaller kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, or apartments. It provides 700 watts of cooking power with 10 power levels, giving you control over different types of food. 6 cooking presets and one-touch express cooking make it easy to prepare meals quickly. It also includes Eco Mode, a child safety lock, and a mute button for quieter operation. If you want a simple microwave that doesn't take up much space while still offering useful everyday features, this Chefman model is a solid option. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews. Thanks for watching.